Now I'm in front of Mint Memorial Museum. This memorial museum was used for Mint Factory office. This is a testing device of mint oil, Hakka. This is a mint crystal can. This is a leaching device of mint oil. This is a centrifugal device. Rotating board. This is automatic steamer. This is a Mint Memorial Museum by Sugarcraft. This is a miniature of Kitami Mint Factory. The Japanese emperor used these chairs in 1954. The factory chief explained to the prince of Japanese emperor. He is now a former emperor. This is a Mint Experience Corner. You can smell these mints. These boards are explaining the relationships between Hakka and Kitami area. The artificial mint occupied the share of 80%. This board shows demonstration of mint distillation. Now, I'm in front of Kitami Haッカ通商. This place is also called Kitamint Hall or Kitamint Factory. Hakka products are produced here. Mint testing plant. I ordered mint soft serve ice cream, and this mint wet dish is next. Here is a mint exhibition corner.